Hello, if you want to view FPS, GPU and CPU graphs on your Samsung S25, then you can for sure do this by opening settings. Then you'll have to scroll all the way down and you have to simply enter for developer options. But if you don't have developer options right here, you will have to go for About Phone and keep tapping on build number. If you don't know how we do this, you can find tutorial on my YouTube channel how to enable developer options. So right now you have to go on below and you have to search for one of the following option. It will be just right here. So you have to scroll almost all the way down. I just missed this one, but yeah, there it is. There's the GPU watch, so you can simply tap on this switcher to turn it on. You can also create some widgets if you want. The custom you can also use from the presets. You can get a graph, you can get text, and you can quickly add them, tap on them, and they will be viewed right here. If you want to turn them off, you can just simply turn off this GPU watch. So if you find it useful, please leave a like and a comment below.